Hi, in this video I will show you how to change shipping setting of US TikTok shop to seller shipping. Like if you sign up on TikTok shop, by default it is set to ship via platforms. It means that you have to give the products to nearby USPS center and they will deliver that with the receipt. But you want to change, maybe you are doing drop shipping or something like that, and you want to give product to nearby center, and you want to give your products with the hand and address, and you want to put your you want to put tracking ID manually, like here like if you delivered the product to the customer address, and here it will show like that. You will click here, and it will ask you to put tracking ID here, and then you will select uh, shipping provider, and then if you submit that, it will be submit and order will be delivered. If you want to do like that, I will let you know how to change that, because in the by default it is set to take ship via platforms. We will click on orders, home, from home page to orders, then fulfillment setting, and go to, you can click here, go to shipping setting, or you can click here as well. You will click here, and it is showing that TikTok shipping, and you want to change from TikTok shipping to seller shipping. Okay, so here you can see that the companies that use by TikTok, USPS and all. Click to switch option and click here, then it will ask you to create a shipping template. Change, okay, create template. You need to create a template first. You will shipping template, select warehouse. You will click here, drop down, and you will select the warehouse, and you can select weight base, and if you want to choose the quantity base, you can select that as well. And here you can put your delivery charges, flat rate, and a standard shipping in a use. Don't need to, if you want to give express shipping, then you can do that as well, and a free economy as well. I will click submit, and it will be saved. Now shipping template created successfully. Now you can click here, and seller setting, and now it is changed to seller shipping. So this is how you can change seller shipping in the TikTok shop US. Like every shop has a different settings, so here you can change that, and here are the states that it is allowed to deliver the products. So thank you so much. If you want more videos like that, consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you.